So where do I get my drive from? Where do I get that passion from, that will to succeed? Well, first of all, I have a long-term goal. I have a vision. I have a dream. I see myself living in a £4 million mansion, a £4 million country house in the middle of nowhere with acres of land around me. That's my dream. That's my vision. But besides from that, I just can't stand to be poor. I don't want to struggle. I don't want to be tight for money. There was a time in my life where I was tight for money. Now, it don't matter about the age. Still, it's not a nice feeling. This happened when I was a child. But first of all, towards the end of year 7, my best friend in school, man named Ethan, let's say it was around about May. Yeah, I was in year 7, around about May or something like that. He brought me a pack of jawbreakers. 5 in a pack, cost 20 pence. He told me, if you sell each of these for 10p, you can make 50p. That's a 30p profit. I got 1 pack of jawbreakers, sold it. And then from that day, I was hooked. You know why? You know why I was hooked? The summer holidays, going from year 6 to year 7, I was brass. Now, obviously, I'm a youth, man. I'm a child. I'm 11 years old. Supposed to be broke. Yeah, how many, 11-year-olds out there making money? But 11-year-olds should have their parents to fall back on. 11-year-olds should have their parents to give them pocket money. My mum couldn't afford to give me pocket money like that. You see that holiday, that summer holidays, year 6 to year 7. There was times where I had like 50p to my name, and I'm like, I don't know, like, I'm going to get any pocket money from my mum, or I don't even know when I'm going to get some pocket money. This 50p has to last me like a week, This is summer holidays. Man, want to buy Mr. Freeze ice lollies. I was actually lying in my bed just now, and I thought, I have to go downstairs and make this video. A man had 50p to last him a week. Well, to last me until whenever. I didn't even know. There wasn't even no time scale for a man go and re-up on it. No. The struggle was real. That was going from year 6 to year 7. Forget about going chicken and chip shop and that. What, for lunch? What? No, there was no chicken and chip shop at lunchtime. You mad? My chicken and chip shop was my yard. Mum just throw 1, 2 little oven food in. There was no, just go Texas fried chicken or favorites. No. There was no chicken. Furthermore, when I was a kid, you think there? I don't know what it's like for the young people now, but for my mum, there was no McDonald's on a Friday. What? Maybe for my birthday or something like that. There was no McDonald's on a Friday or pizza on a Friday. No, man, that's how rich people live. No way. Like my little sister, she can experience getting Chinese or getting some takeout on a Friday night. That's what my people then do. They get takeout on a Friday night. When I was my sister's age, takeout on a Friday night? Are you mad? No way. No flipping way. Maybe once in a while. There definitely was no McDonald's. Definitely no McDonald's. But yeah, I did not know about getting McDonald's and that. There was no. During the summer holidays, my chicken and chip shop was my house between 12 and 1:30. That was my lunch. That was my chicken and chip shop. So that was from year 6 to year 7 summer holidays. So from year 7 to year 8 summer holidays, obviously I had the knowledge prior, before when I was in year 7, around May, when my friend showed me that I can make money or whatever. From that moment in time, when my friend showed me that, I thought, you know what? I need to make as much money as I can now so I ain't broke for the summer holidays that's coming up. So from then, when I discovered, right, this is how I can make money, I was on it. Because there was no way, I didn't want to have to flipping struggle for the next 6 weeks, 42 days, not being able to buy the ice poles that I want. I wasn't going out there buying no trainers and nothing like that. But I just wanted to be able to go and buy sweets, basic stuff, be able to go and buy chicken and chips. So from that moment, when my friend showed me this is how, you can make money or whatever, I was like, yeah, hooked. And then throughout the rest of my school life, from year 8 to year 11, bam, that was it. Yeah, that was it. Now, young people that are watching this right now, stay in school and focus on your studies more. I'm just saying, that's the route I went down. I did not business about no studying. I need to make money. But I couldn't afford to give me pocket money like that. I was on free school meals. I was talking to one of my brethren the other day. He told me that there was 2 options, Either you get free school meals or you get free bus travel. One of the 2. He came from a poor family as well. His option was to get the free bus travel. So that means he went to school on an empty stomach. So he would have breakfast in the morning, but during school there was no lunch. His people then couldn't afford to supply him lunch. His people then couldn't afford lunchtime school dinners. Struggle is real out here. Well, at least back then anyway. Oh, God forbid there's still kids out here and their parents can't afford to feed them during lunchtime. Even if you're having I don't care what you're eating in the morning. Growing children, lots of energy. A boy as well. So, you boys are run up and down and ramp, testosterone, masculine, man, I burn energy. There's no way eating at 7:30 in the morning is suffice until flipping, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock dinner? No way. No way. Now, fortunately, I was on the free school meals list, so I could eat during lunchtime, whatever. But even then, even after lunch, when you finish school at 3:30, whatever, you want to buy chicken and chips or whatever. You don't want to have to wait from midday, 12 o'clock, until 5, 6 p.m. to eat your dinner. You want to have a little snack in between that time. But that's why I got that drive. I never want to be poor. I never want to be scraping. Like, there's some people, like, they're literally living check to check. After payday, their money is gone. And they're literally living on breadcrumbs until next payday. Certain people out here, their finances are that bad, I remember when they moved our payment day from the 6th to the 15th at my workplace. There was certain men, they were panicking. The company started offering like some kind of payday loan or something like that to cover for the next 9 days, because people's finances are so effed up that they can't even wait 9 days, to get paid, because they moved the payday 9 days in advance. Because obviously they tailor all of their bills around the 6th of the month. So when that day comes, the banks are not going to say, well, don't worry, we'll wait 9 days. No, they want their money. I never want to live like that. Never want to live poor. Now, obviously, man, I understand on the path to success, you're going to have highs and lows. It's going to be times where you're going to be stagnant. There's going to be times where you're not making that much money. There's times where you might be poor for a little bit. But still, I still don't want to experience that. So I'm going to fight against it. That's why man put in the work. That's why man got that drive. You think I want my kids To be, you know, a boy can't even go out and get a Coca Pina, 20p bottle of drink. And obviously, then, you know, when I have kids, there ain't gonna be no drinks that are worth that much. But my kid out, playing out, summer holidays, can't even afford to buy chicken and chips. Can't even afford to go and buy a little pick and mix or go cinema with his friends and I'm not letting. My children are not suffering that fate. No flipping way. No flipping way. So that's why man got that drive, man. Never want to be poor. Have to be successful. There's no other option. Like I always say, you got good mental health, good physical health. There's no excuse. Yeah, there's gonna be times where you fail. Yeah, that's the inevitable. There's gonna be times where you go and you become poor because whatever. That's the inevitable. That's all right. But you keep going. Keep going. Don't give up. Don't give up. Stay wise.